Hey guys, this is Tyler Heeman with SMP Tools here in Houston, and today we're going to look at the Viper28P integrated hydraulic flange spreading tool from Renquip. This is a all-in-one design, meaning the wedge head and the hand pump are put together. There's no need for a separate hand pump or hoses to operate this tool. This tool puts out a whopping 28 tons of spread force, making it the most powerful hydraulic flange spreader on the market. The jaws close down to less than a 1/4 inch gap, meaning it can fit in tight flange scenarios, but it's ideally suited for large 600, 900, 1500, and 2500 series flanges. To actuate the tool, slip the jaws in between the flange faces and start pumping. Once you've reached the desired spread, or if you've maxed out the distance available on this step, you can use the safety block included with the kit, relieve the pressure from the tool, and close the flanges down on the safety block. Then you can reinsert the tool on a deeper step in order to get more spread. The kit comes with an additional set of step blocks to add on to the jaws in case you need to get further spread distance between the flanges. These screw on with the included Allen key. With the attached step blocks on the tool, you can get up to 5 inches of total spread distance between the flanges. Once your maintenance work is complete, you can reinsert the flange spreader and pump it up to relieve the pressure off of the safety block, remove it, and slowly relieve pressure off of the flange spreader to safely close the flanges back down. For more information on this and the rest of our flange spreaders, visit us at flangespreaders.com.